Hi everyone. So today Tonic Studios has opened their spring vault, and what happens is they have things in there that they might have brought back, some items maybe you missed out on earlier in the year or however. So I'll show you a little bit about it. I will say I'll have a link that pops you over to the site here, and that will be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items. Those links I'll have the same for the US and for the UK. But as you can see, Spring Vault, this is open until the 11th of June. They do have some other nice new items that they've come out with recently, so you can see those there, but the vault is this here. And so let's see what we got going on in here. So yeah, so they have things like, this one is a craft kit and showcase vault bundled together, which is really nice. Again, the pricing is really great for all these things. The Stamp Club vault, it looks like buy it all bundle, and you can see that there's more in there than just the two that you're seeing here. It says it has buy all remaining stamp clubs for $75, which is very cool. You know, just all these different bundled things. So that's a little bit new this year. Usually it would just be the craft kit or just like the showcase, but here they're bundling things together. This is so cute. Um, let's see here. This one, I believe, has two different craft kits in it, you know what I'm saying, for the $29.99, which is crazy. And again, this is the US site, but it'll be the same for the UK in pounds. These are so beautiful. I loved this craft kit here. So I just want to show you a little bit about it. Again, I'll have the link there in the description box that'll pop you over there. Oh, the beautiful the heart craft kit bundle there, which is lovely, and lots of other things here. So again, some of them are just by themselves and some are bundled and however else, but things that they pulled out from the vault, which are generally the previous club kits, right? Because they're good for, you can get them for that month. So you have things like that, some older showcases and things. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're having a great day. I'll have everything linked there for you guys. And oh, look at the stamp clubs. So cute. I will see you all. I will say I have tutorials for pretty much all of these things. So if you're curious, you might want to go back and just type in, like, in your YouTube or wherever, Tonic Craft Kit 58, and you'll see obviously the videos Tonic put together for you guys, and also my tutorials, and you can see a little bit more about each of these things that way. So just something to think about. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.